Quick video about burst discs. If you're a diver, you're probably familiar with what a burst disc is. It is a overpressure device that's in the valve of a scuba tank. So if you overfill it or it gets too hot and the air expands too much, the burst disc blows versus having a cylinder rupture. So in this case, we had a cylinder, a pony bottle, and this is 20,000 or 2050 psi. Actually, I'm sorry, 2015 psi. Unfortunately, we filled it, or somebody filled it to 3000 psi, which fortunately the burst disc blew as it was supposed to, not the cylinder. So this is a 14 cubic foot pony bottle, low pressure. Burst disc itself looks like this. This is the one that was burst, and I think you can see the difference when you look at the one that's not burst. That thin piece of metal on the top is what plugs the hole and prevents the air from escaping until it exceeds the pressure. Now, it's pretty critical you don't just throw any burst disc in any tank. Again, 2015 psi rated tank. Then if you look over here, these are 3000 or 3500. So you can't fill every tank to the same level. If you put a 3500 psi burst disc in this tank, it could have been a very dangerous situation. So if you're changing burst discs, make sure you're using the right one for the tank that needs it. Installing them is very simple. They just thread in to the hole, and then you torque them to whatever the spec for that valve is, and you should be all set and ready to refill that bottle. So if you found this video interesting or helpful, please take a look at the channel and take a look at our other adventure as well as scuba diving videos.